Allegations were two formulas. One was by messages and by video calls. She was being harassed after work hours and primarily at midnight as well. And I am instructed.
Shall I give you this?
I'm not aware of what
You
exactly.
can't be aware now. Chargesheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
And in the inquiry, my lords, there in fact a report which came to be filed saying that all the doctors, including the lady doctors in the hospital, the other staff were
No,
inquired
sir.
into.
We will not spare such doctors.
No.
Actually, if the statements are seen here, you are in an inescapable web.
But this is what
Yesterday's matter.
is day before yesterday.
Day for yesterday. Yeah.
354, 354A. My lords, pleased to sort for the records from the police minutes.
Yeah.
Investigation records.
Hmm.
The allegations were two formulas. One was by messages and by video calls. She was being harassed after work hours and primarily at midnight as well.
Hmm.
And thereafter, my lords, on
Why
20.
did you send messages or call at midnight?
I had made a submission my lords, on the earlier occasion. If at all, my lords, there are any materials to my knowledge, my lords, my instructions are no such lewd messages or any such messages which are offensive were sent by me. That's the reason, my
But then-
lords.
Good morning, good night, ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರಾ?
Did they, some other
ಮತ್ತೆ?
discussions are there? She also has
What
responded to it.
discussions?
But nothing else which is offensive is what I am instructed.
Shall I give you this?
I'm not aware of what
You
exactly.
can't be aware now. Chargesheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
That they may kindly be kept pending, my lords, as such.
What?
This may kindly be kept pending, awaiting the
Oh, you're
investigation report.
drawing cue from the
What's-
earlier order.
The reason is, as far as I'm concerned, my lords, I'm aware on the 23rd of May, I had issued her a show cause notice.
Hmm.
And in fact, even before this, my lord, there was another inquiry held.
Hmm.
And in the inquiry, my lords, there in fact a report which came to be filed saying that all the doctors, including the lady doctors in the hospital, the other staff were
No,
inquired
sir.
into.
We will not spare such doctors.
No allegations that are
Oh, no.
forthcoming as against
Doctors
me.
who sexually harass the staff, we will not.
There was an inquiry on the 22nd minute, there was an
And
inquiry.
you're a government servant,
Please, my
Health
lord.
and Family Welfare Department.
Please, I'm an administrative medical officer of the,
Medical officer?
but I had issued her a notice, my lord.
Why do you want her to come to late night dinner? That's what you are.
That's one of the allegations. But my submission is only this, my lord. If the record, if the digital records would indicate something, my lord,
It
perhaps
does.
in that event, I may not have a case at this stage. My only submission is,
Chargesheet ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ you come.
please, please.
Not at this stage. Otherwise, I will give all these finding now.
In that event, I intend to withdraw.
Yes. Definitely, this is not a case.
In fact, there were several other proceedings there, in fact, which came to be initiated against me earlier. They
Against
want to
whom?
remove against me. They
Identical.
want, no, identical ಈಗ. In
Hmm.
fact, one thing ಮೊದಲಿನ report ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, all the doctors were inquired into, staff were inquired into.
Hmm.
There is no such truth which is forthcoming from the inquiry. That report also is there. However, yesterday, when the objections were produced, now the inquiry report is what is indicated. So on that score, I may not have a case as such.
Actually, if the statements are seen here, you are in an inescapable web.
But this is what I've indicated to the, so that's the reason I'm
It's
kindly
not, you're
permitted
not
to.
stopped at that. You have called her names. You have, painted her character black.
That's the reason,
This is the matter of investigation. here.
please, please. I'm kindly be permitted to withdraw in that.
Yes, discharge.
Liberty thereof.
It's always there. Anyway, you have to come back to me only.
Yes.
Yes.